She's so shy. So cute.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Wow. I stand.
Annyeonghaseyo 여러분. My name is Priyanka
And my name is Alia.
and welcome back to the Orange Couch Reaction. Well, today we are going to do something special.
And it's just too special.
Too special because it's we are going to react to Unni, and she's from a girl group. I'm pretty much very excited because it's her birthday and we thought we should do something special for her birthday. So we are going to react to
Jisoo Unni.
Unni, and we are going to watch her TikTok videos.
It's gonna be amazing.
I am a sucker for TikTok videos. I love TikTok
Absolutely.
videos.
In the same boat as you.
Yeah. And if it's a girl group, like a girl member, it just makes me more excited, you know? Yeah.
Because there's so much to it.
So
and
much. And
it's always fun.
yeah. And I'm definitely going to say cute, lovely, sexy, a lot of words.
Other things as well.
So many times.
I'm sure of it.
Yeah.
Pretty sure of
Yeah.
it.
So let's get started.
Why is the first clip
So sexy. Oh, I love
She's
this.
so gorgeous.
So pretty.
Wow.
The look.
The outfits.
The outfits.
Wow.
I love this outfit.
I know, right? It just has something about it that's so pretty.
Kim Jisoo.
Oh. That was definitely
Oh
not
my
a this. That was
God.
like a wow.
Wow. Who's the flower?
Oh my god.
The end pose. Oh. The
Wow.
change in the split second.
I know, right?
The visuals.
She really is. He's so cute. My god, the airport look.
The slow-mos.
They always go for the kill.
Yes.
She looks so, tiny. here.
And the smile.
Oh, Blackpink. So sweet.
The expressions that
I
she's
know, right?
giving is so perfect.
It's like I'm looking at a doll.
Yes. Oh.
Wow. I miss fan meets.
Yeah. She's such a cutie pie.
That is so cute.
That's so cute.
I want these.
Yeah. I want the entire outfit.
I know, right? Oh,
Oh, they're editing her face.
are you serious? I stand. I stand. Absolutely.
I mean, look at her figure. It's
I
so
know,
perfect.
right?
She's having
Look at the abs.
Yes, that's what they're trying to show.
Well,
Well, I need to start doing that.
I don't think I will be able to. She's so sweet. Aww.
Aww.
Hi.
She's
So
so
shy.
shy. Oh,
The mirror. What's on her face?
Beauty.
Oh,
Oh,
totally beauty.
Totally beauty.
beauty.
Oh, I love this edit.
Wow.
So good.
Wow. How do editors do this?
I know, right? That's so cute.
Little tiger. Oh.
Dude, the out.
You know, your and her fashion sense is like so similar.
Mine and her?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's a compliment.
Of course, it is.
You know, even the way she's walking, just
Uh-huh.
look at it. She's owning it.
She's definitely slaying. Definitely owning
Yeah.
it. Oh.
The slow
I'm attacked. I'm attacked. Absolutely attacked.
So,
It's a real life princess.
I love this picture. I love this.
Look at the outfit, look at the makeup. It's like the accessories. Oh my god.
Perfect.
Ooh.
Oh.
Okay. Listen, I'm like absolutely wrecked. Like completely wrecked.
Yeah. Oh.
You remember this performance?
Yes. I mean, she's doing it so
Iconic.
perfectly.
She's such a good dancer.
Yes. Singer, dancer, acting, you name it.
Everything. She's an all-in-one.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this legendary
I can
moment.
keep on watching this.
I know, right?
continuously. It's a perfect dance.
And considering you love dancing.
I love
so
dancing. This is perfect. Oh, I know this. I know this. I remember this.
Which one's this?
The bottle. She tried to balance the bottle.
All the
And it
riders
was-
had fun.
It was shown on
laughing.
the main, the main TV.
She was so flustered.
What we see.
Cartier. Oh.
Okay.
It's gonna turn to something very cute, isn't it?
What she sees.
Oh, I thought it was gonna turn to something
paparazzi
cute.
thing, yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah. I mean the power she holds.
totally.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, I love this step now.
Maybe you should do a cover soon.
Yeah, I should.
Course.
Comment down below.
It's her outfit is so elegant.
So
and-
elegant.
I know, she just screams elegance.
She can pull off any outfit actually.
Totally.
Yeah.
Totally. She owns it, like you said.
Here
Oh my
comes the
God.
queen.
An anti-romantic?
Romantic.
You were on time.
Yeah. Jisoo. And that smile. She knows it.
I know, right? Oh, I would have definitely flinched too.
Same. She won't.
Yeah, she doesn't, right?
I'm not
That's
scared.
scary.
Yeah, and
She didn't even flinch. How is that
I
possible?
would have fallen down.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
She. I don't know. She's actually so gorgeous and so talented in its own like.
And plus the edits.
Big shout out to all of the editors.
Yeah. Kim, baby.
Oh, that is definitely not like the cute baby
Yeah.
version. It's coming for the kill.
You know the.
Oh yeah.
And now.
Oh.
Why? So long? Oh. Begging you.
It's like the song was made for her.
Her. I love this photo shoot.
I know, right? It's just
It's a hats off.
it's so
Oh, I love
ethereal.
I love all
Okay.
of them.
Just remember this? My god.
She wore it better. She wore it
Absolutely.
better.
Absolutely wore it better.
It's a gorgeous outfit.
I know, right?
This outfit, your outfit.
I think she can like totally pull
Pull
off
off
anything,
anything.
like anything. I know we said that so many times,
Yes,
but
but-
she absolutely can. Dior.
Dior. Again. I love Dior outfits.
I know,
And
right? She just
so
carries
cute.
it them
Yeah.
so well.
Like you give her skirts, pants, shorts,
Anything.
anything. she
Anything and everything.
This
This is my favorite
This
outfit.
is my favorite outfit. This one.
This is my favorite outfit.
It was something else.
I know, right? It really is something else. Oh my god. It's just so nice to see her like enjoying herself
the
on
performance.
stage.
Yeah.
She sang it better than the original, I have to say. I really have to say that.
It's a vocal queen.
Absolutely. Wow.
I feel like I'm
Oh
in a
my
concert
God.
right
I
now.
know, right? You just close your eyes and
Close
plug
your
it in
eyes
and you're
plug it
like,
in and you're like, yeah, you're in a concert right now.
literally. That is so... I mean, how stable are her vocals? This is my favorite part.
Yeah. I'm
The
legitimately
note
closing
change,
my
can you?
eyes.
The note change is so beautiful. It's so effortless.
Don't go. No, Anand.
Oh
This
my
outfit
God.
again.
Absolutely gorgeous. It's like she radiates so much positivity.
Positivity. The
It's like she's
smile.
always all smiles.
Ah.
But she's so tiny here. So young. Oh,
Oh, her eyes.
I know, right?
So
I know,
gorgeous.
right?
Pre-debut.
So tiny.
Oh.
Oh. That is a big time
She can
glow up.
actually pull off any hairstyles also.
True,
All the hairstyles.
true.
Hair color,
Very
hairstyle,
true.
everything.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Wow. Like girl crush.
Yeah, girl crush.
Absolutely girl crush.
Me?
Only.
I feel
Wow.
like dancing along with her.
Go ahead. Own it, Priyanka.
Fans are waiting for Dior. Yeah, Dior.
Your outfit.
People actually lined up
Just to
for
see her. I know, right? And she was so sweet to them too. That's so sweet. It's like the perfect song, and like she's
Yes.
like just walking by. Look, there's so much positivity she's
Yes.
radiating.
She's actually not looking at the cameras, okay? she
No,
did
yeah.
not. She's just looking at the fans.
I know.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she did.
I'm
That is
doing
so
that.
sweet.
Please come here. I'm
And
going to
you're-
give you
you're gonna
lots
give
of
like a
be-
big teddy bear.
big teddy bear. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, she actually
Oh, she
put
put it
in
in
a
the
bag.
Take it back. That is so heartwarming. That is so heartwarming. And I would be that girl screaming behind.
Oh, she was cute
Cowboy.
1 second ago.
They just change like that.
Is it done?
Are you serious?
Is it done?
I'm sad.
I'm sad.
I'm really sad.
Yeah, it just ended like this.
Sad. Wow. So, what do you have to say and how do you feel?
I feel happy.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very cute, sexy, a combination of everything.
Everything,
Yeah,
right.
actually, she's a perfect Unni. She's perfect.
Yeah, she's perfect Unni material.
Yeah, perfect.
For all of us.
All of us. Like, she inspired me so much.
I know, and you know, like seeing, you know, the Blackpink videos and all, it shows that she is so caring and she's so kind and she's really like the oldest
love
sister.
she has
yeah.
for fans and
It's
even the
very
members.
sweet. It's very sweet.
Very sweet.
And honestly, like her vocals are so stable. She is such a good dancer.
Dancer.
And then
fashion
she's like,
sense. On
you name
point.
it and
You
there's
name it,
everything.
she has everything. She inspires so many girls out
So
there,
many.
including me.
And me
For
too.
everything, yeah. You too.
Me too. This was, I think this reaction left us feeling like very happy.
Happy.
And like we can't forget feeling wrecked though.
Yes. And the best part, it's her birthday.
Sing it to
Hi, and I am so blessed to watch this video with you.
Aww, that is so sweet. Well, you're older than me, so I should call you Kamsahamnida Unni. I think she just gave us Unni vibes to
Yeah,
me. and
Unni
I'm giving
vibes.
it
Like,
to
I'm
you.
meaning Unni vibes today, and she's perfect. Yeah, I got. How many times did I say perfect, cute?
Oh, we lost count.
I lost the count.
We
so
definitely
many
lost the count.
times. She's perfect. Yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
Yes. You want to watch it again later on?
Oh yes, yeah. Later on,
I feel let's watch all the members.
I don't mind.
You don't mind?
I don't mind at
Nor
all.
do I.
So wherein like to watch all of them.
All of them. And that's it for today's video. We'll be back again next week with probably one more member because we are going to watch it right now.
We've like come into it now and then we're
Yeah,
not
we are
in,
in
like,
the vibes right now.
Yeah.
So we'll be back again next week. Until then,
잠시만
기다려주세요. 안녕.